I think now you can hear me and you can see the board also. Yes. Good evening, all of you. One second. Right. Is it okay now? Can you see clearly? Can you hear me and see me clearly? Not audible. Hello? Yes. Okay. Now this is what one of the 3 marks question. Okay, sound is coming clear. Video also, hope you can see. Now here in this question, it is given about, we have to check what happens if 3 kilowatt heater 220 volt is supplied, then what happens we have to find out, and current is rating at 5 amperes, then what information is given here. Power of the heater it is given, that is 3 kilowatt, and voltage is also given, potential difference, that is 220 volt, and current it is maximum 5 amperes only, it is given like this. Then what we have to find out, what happens we have to find out. How can we decide what happens? Can you look at me? Can't see you. Okay, today I don't know what happened, continuously some problem is there. Stuck. Now okay. Can you see me now? I, Can you see now? Okay. Right, right. I think now lagging. Okay, let's continue. In this question, power is given, voltage is given, current is given. We have to decide what happens here. So we have to find out current in this case, because current it is allowed up to 5 amperes only. But what amount of current we get here, based on that we decide what happens in this situation when switch is on. Then what is current formula? Current is equal to power by voltage. Why? Because we know power is equal to potential difference into current, V into I. By using this formula, we can find out what is the amount of current that can be allowed. So here what? I is equal to 3000 watt, because 3 kilowatt, 3000 watt by 220 volt. And what happens here? 0 0 cancel, 2 11s are 2 150s. So we got I is equal to 150 by 11. So we can cancel it. 150 divided by 11 means 11 ones 11. 4 will be left. 4 0 40. 4 3s are 33. Then 7. Then 0.06. So how much current it will allow? Up to 13.6 amperes it will allow approximately. So what happens if that is connected? It is to be operated in an electric circuit of rating 5 amperes. What is likely to happen when the heater is switched on? Justify your answer. Because it is up to 5 amperes only. It can be allowed only up to 5 amperes only. But at this rate of voltage and at this rate of power, what is happening? 13.6 amperes we are, that much amount of current is passing through the heater. Then what happens? It becomes overload, so much current, more than the limited current. In this case, what happens? When more amount of current is there, fuse will be burned, fuse will be melted, circuit will be open, overloading will happen. So that you have to write here answer, because the amount of current is more than the given limited amount of current. Hope you got the kind of question. If this type of question it is given, how to answer it. Clear about it? Can you hear, or shall I make a video on it? If it is not okay, we'll do it later. I will upload it later, you can watch it. Okay, then we do one thing, I'll make a video, then later you watch it, okay? I'll try to upload it. I will delete it now, because I don't know, today some technical issue is there. I will make all these problems in a video and I will upload. Watch it later, tomorrow you'll be free. Right. Thank you. You can leave, watch it later. It's clear. Jairam is saying clear. Okay, ma, I will upload it anyway, because now is it okay, Brunal? Shall we continue? Okay. Then let's continue. So this was okay. The solution, did you understand what we have to do in this case? We have to find the amount of the current. If it is there within the limit, nothing will happen. If it is more than the limit, what happens? Overloading will happen. More amount of current will be there. More amount of current will be there. So that will be a problem again. Now let's see next one. Next question. This is a 3 marks question. Now next question. Draw a ray diagram to show the path of a refracted ray in each of the following cases. It's not a, this is a 5 marks question. Okay, keep in mind. This is a 5 marks question and it is not a very big complicated question because you all know what happens. Here 2 things you have to remember. One is it is the ray diagram, path of ray diagram you have to draw, and it is for concave lens. For concave lens, first incident ray is what? It should be parallel to the principal axis. What happens if incident ray is parallel to principal axis of concave lens? So hope all of you know about these rules of ray diagrams. So we draw principal axis like this because it is lens. Here f1, here 2f1. This is what? Optical center. This is f2. This is 2f2. What is happening in the first case? Parallel to principal axis. You have to draw a ray which is parallel to the principal axis. A ray which is parallel to principal axis. So like this we draw. This is what? Incident ray. Then after that, because it is parallel to principal axis, okay, it is a diverging one, so it will not go up. What happens? It will be diverged like this. After it is moving up to here. It will be diverged in this format. What happens here if you extend? What happens? When we extend it, it looks like it is coming out of focus. This is the first one. First question answer. Similarly, second question answer, same way. You have to draw one more time. But there what? It is directed towards its principal focus. So, your ray will be there like this. This is the second one. It is directed towards principal focus. Then it's again looks like coming out of the focus. One second. It looks like it is parallel after the refraction. It will be parallel to principal axis because it is looking like coming out of the focus. After the refraction, it looks like it is parallel to principal axis like this. So this is what incident and refracted rays you have to draw like this. This is what first question answer in that first question, and the second question is about a numerical. You can draw these two separately. I have drawn it as a single diagram. You can draw it as a single. Okay, now if you see the problem, numerical problem, here what information is given? A 4 centimeters tall object. Means what? Height of the object is given 4 centimeters. And one more, what it is given? It is a convex lens, it is given, this is important, and focal length is 24 centimeters. When it is a convex length of focal length 24 centimeters, it should be taken positive. F is equal to 24 centimeters. And the object distance is given, which is of 16 centimeters. Object distance should be taken negative, so it is minus 16 centimeters. What they are asking to find the position and size of the image formed. Position and size of the image formed. So what we have to find out here, V and HI. So what to find out V, we have to use lens formula. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Is it about mirror or lens? We have to see first. It is about lens, convex lens. So lens formula we have to use. 1 by V minus U is how much? Minus 24. U is how much? Minus 16. So 1 by minus 16 is equal to 1 by F is what? Plus 24. Then what happens? Minus into minus plus it is. So 1 by V plus 1 by 16. Plus 1 by 16 if you transpose that side. 1 by 24 minus 1 by 16. Then we take LCM. LCM for 24 and 16 is 96. 24 4 is 96, so here 4 minus 16 6 is 96, so here minus, which is minus 2 by 96. After cancellation, minus 1 by 48. So this is 1 by V. Then what is V? V is equal to minus 48 centimeters. Hope you understood this. This is what? Image distance. And then they are also asking what is the image size. How can we find image size? Another formula, HI by HO is equal to V by U. Not minus V by U, it is V by U. So HI is what? We have to find HI. HO is 4 is equal to V is 48 minus 48 by minus 30, where it is minus 16. And what happens? Both will be cancelled, which is 3. So HI is equal to what? 3 4s are 12 centimeters. Is it okay? Can you see it clearly? So first you have to identify these values. What is HO, how much? What is focal length, convex lens it is, and what is object distance. Focal length is 24 and object distance is minus 16. That means what? Object is kept between optical center and focus. When it is kept between optical center and focus, where image will be formed? Same side of the lens. When it is same side of the lens, the image formed will be virtual and direct. That's why we got height of the image as positive 12 centimeters. Like this you can verify your answer correct or not. Is it clear all of you about this? Right, okay. Hope you all got this. How to do it? Now coming to the next problem. It is similar to the previous. You have to draw the ray diagram to show the path of reflected ray in each of the following cases. The ray of incident on a convex mirror. It is about mirror and convex. So here how the figure will be, we have to draw a convex mirror and like this. So here what? Like this will be focus, this will be center of curvature. What we have to do? One ray parallel to principal axis. If incident ray is parallel to principal axis, what happens? Reflected ray looks like it is coming out of the focus. Like this it will come. This is what the first one, ray diagram. And the second case, what happens? It is directed towards its principal focus. And in the next case, I am drawing here again I'll erase it because there is no much space to. This is focus, this is like this, it will be there. Now what happens? Incident ray will be there like this, reflected ray will be there like this, incident ray will be there like this. This is incident ray and this is reflected ray. Hope you understood this. This is about ray diagrams. First question answer. Now coming to second question answer. Second question is a problem. Here what it is given again, height of the object it is given 1.5 centimeters and focal length it is given, and here what height of the object it is given, focal length and concave mirror of focal length 12 centimeters. Then because it is a concave, focal length f should be taken negative minus 12 centimeters, and flame from the pole of the mirror, what is given, the distance of the flame, that is object distance is given, u is equal to minus 18 centimeters. What we have to find out, position, size of the image form. So here mirror formula we have to use 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. 1 by v we don't know, plus u 1 by minus 18 is equal to 1 by minus 12. This minus 18 if you transpose that side, 1 by v is equal to 1 by minus 12, 1 by minus 12 plus 1 by 18. You have to take the LCM, that is minus 36. Then what happens? 12 3s are 36. So already minus is there, plus 3 we have to multiply, plus 3 it will be. 18 2s. We get minus 36, minus should be multiplied, minus 2. So it is what, 1 by minus 36. So what is V? V is equal to minus 36 centimeters. We got. Then height of the object also, height of the image also we have to find. For that again which formula? Hi by Ho is equal to here minus V by U. Hi we have to find out, Hi as it is, by Ho is 1.5 is equal to V is minus 36, so minus into minus plus 36 by U is minus 18. So if you cancel this, it is exactly 2. If you transpose 1.5 that side, Hi is equal to 2 into minus 1.5 is minus 3 centimeters. Minus 3 centimeters. This is the height of the image. So by this, here also what we can see, image is minus 36, object is kept at minus 18 and focal length is 12. What it means? Object is kept between focus and center of curvature. When object is kept between focus and center of curvature, where image will be formed? Image will be formed beyond C, real and inverted, enlarged. That's why magnification is minus 3. Hope you understood. You can verify like this your answer is correct or not also. Clear about this? Shall we go to the next one? So this is what 5 marks question, either this or this, any one you can do it. Yeah, this is another question. This is a case study question from electricity. This is a case study question from electricity. So here what it is given, to parallel and series combination is given. Can you see me? Okay, let's continue. Can you answer what is the answer for the first question here? A. What is A? A is about K1 is closed. What happens if K1 is closed? Can you see the figure? Observe the figure, and if what happens if K1 is closed? I'll tell you here, there is a bulb A, only one bulb A, but here four bulbs are there, B, C, D, E. Here four bulbs are there. This is one path which is connected to switch K2, and here only one bulb. This is one path which is connected to K1. So what happens if K1 is closed? If K1 is closed, the current will pass through only bulb A. Only bulb A will glow. In this A, first question answer is what? Only bulb A will glow. Only bulb A will glow. If K2 is closed, what happens? If K2 is closed, so instead of K1, if K2 is closed, here all these bulbs are in series. B, C, D, E, all are in series. So what happens? B bulbs B, C, D, E will glow. All these will glow because all these are connected in series. That is the first question answer. B, what happens here in the B? Find the current drawn by the bulb B when it glows. So here for bulb B, at bulb B, it is given, power is given. Power is 11 watt. Power is 11 watt. And voltage is also given. Voltage is 55 volt. Voltage is 55 volt. What they are asking to find? At bulb B, we have to find out the current, amount of current. We know power is equal to V into Y. Therefore, I is equal to P by V. So, what it is? 11 by 55. Then what happens? 11 ones are 11 fives are 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.2 amperes. So that is the amount of current at bulb B. Option, that question number B. Now question number C. There are two questions. It is a 2 marks question. You have to find out the resistance of bulb B. First one. If you want to find out the resistance of bulb B, R is equal to, we have what formula we have? V is equal to IR. V is equal to I into R. Okay, we want R here. So R is equal to V by I. How much voltage it is at that point? 55. By what is the current, amount of current there? 0.2 amperes. We got here just now 0.2 amperes. So this is nothing but 550 by 2, which is 275 ohms. Because it is resistance, 275 ohms is the resistance of bulb B. And the second one, in that only two are there. Here second one is what? We have to find out total resistance of the combination of four bulbs. All these four bulbs are connected in series, and everywhere all of them are having same amount of power and same amount of voltage. Power and voltage are same. When power and voltage are same, resistance is also same. Then R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4. Because all are having same power and same voltage, current will resistance will be same. 275 plus 275 plus 275 plus 275. All the resistances are same. So 4 into 275, which is 550 plus 550, 1100. 1100 ohms. This is what effective resistance of that B, C, D, E resistors. Now the second one, OR question is there. Another one, OR case study. Another one. Here what they are asking, what would happen to the glow of all the bulbs in the circuit when keys K1 and K2 both are closed? Both are closed, what happens? Both will glow. Because they both are in parallel, bulb A will glow as well as all the bulbs B, C, D and E also will glow. But suddenly what happens? Suddenly bulb C suddenly get fused. Here K1, K2, when both are closed, all will glow. But what happened here? Bulb C is fused, means what? It is damaged, it is not working. When it is not working in series combination, if one device is not working, what happens here at this point? Circuit will be open. When circuit is open, all these bulbs will not glow. Only one bulb A will glow. So you can write here, only bulb A will glow. Only bulb A will glow because when bulb C is fused, that what happens? Circuit will be open. In you can justify your answer like this. Hope you understood about this case study question clearly. Are you there? Yes, okay. Now let's see next question. This is one more 5 marks question we have seen. 4 marks question, case study question. Now this is another one related to light. 5 marks question. In this question, this is also previous year 5 marks question. Information is given. Based on this information, you have to answer the questions. First one, without calculation, find the focal length of the convex lens. Justify your answer. Here information is given. Table it is given. Focal length and object distance, all these are not here. Object distance and focal length it is given. You have to find out the object distance and image distance is given. We have to find out the focal length. See, if you observe in this case, what happened? Minus 50 is the object distance, plus 50 is the image distance. Then we can write one point. What we got from there? Object distance is equal to at what? When it happens, when object is kept at center of curvature. So what we can say, by this radius of curvature is 50 centimeters, because on either of the side it is object distance and image distance both are same. By that we should understand center of curvature is at 50 centimeters. Okay, then by this, what is focal length? Focal length is half of radius of curvature. So 50 by 2, then what it is? 25 centimeters. What is 25 centimeters? And it is convex lens, that's why plus 25 centimeters. Hope you all understood this first one. And the second one, what they are asking to find, which observation is not correct? Why? Draw a ray diagram to find the position of image formed for the position of the object. See here, because it is a convex lens, how a convex lens will be? Convex lens, and how ray diagram will be? This is what? Principal axis, optical center, F1 to F1, F2 to F2. So here what happened? In the first case, object is at minus 50, image is other side, plus 30. That is correct. This side when object is there, minus 150 means at very away from it. We already know this is what? 25 centimeters. Focal length we got 25 centimeters. So 150 means somewhere this side it is there. So what? Object is forming that side, that is true, correct. Second one, minus 75 centimeters, again this side only, this is what? 50 here, beyond 2f1, object is between f2 and 2f2, that is also true. But this one, third one already it is true, 50 exactly, that is true. Fourth one is also true, fifth one is true, but sixth one if you observe, minus 15 means what? It is 25 centimeters, focal length is at 25 centimeters, but object is at 15 centimeters, means what? It is between optical center and focus. When object is between optical center and focus, your image should be formed same side of the object. Same side of the object means what? Image distance also you should have negative. Image distance should be negative because it forms same side of the object and it will be virtual and direct. But here what is happening? It is given positive. Image distance is given positive. So this case is wrong because when object is between focus f1 and optical center, image should be formed at the same side, which is negative. But here image distance is given positive. That explanation you have to write. So that is correct. Wrong one. That is wrong one. And draw a ray diagram to find the position of the image formed for the position of the object. In that case, if you want to draw the ray diagram, how it is going to be? Here it is object. Then one ray we take through focus. One more through optical center. One will be there like this, which passes through focus like this, and another one through optical center we take. Then because it is passing through optical center, there will be no change in the ray direction. It will be same as usual. When you extend these two, what happens? They looks like they meet at a point. Virtual and direct image will be formed and it will be same side of the object. Like this ray diagram will be there. This is what second question answer. And the third question answer, find the approximate value of magnification for u is equal to minus 30. For u is equal to image distance is minus 30. Where you have image distance minus 30? In this case, image distance is minus 30 and object distance is you want image distance minus 30, no? Image distance we do not have here. Because object distance is u, image distance is plus 30. Okay, object distance only minus 30 it is. I did not see the question carefully. So in exam you also read the question carefully. Object is minus 30. When object distance is minus 30, if object distance is minus 30, image distance is 150. So what is magnification formula? Magnification is equal to V by U because it is lens. V by U, then it is what? 150 by minus 30. After cancellation it is 5 exactly. So minus 5. Minus 5 centimeters is the magnification of object when object is at minus 30 centimeters. Hope this is clear to you. Now the next question, define principal axis of the lens. Hope you know what is a principal axis. A line which joins optical center and the principal focus will be called as principal axis. Draw a ray diagram to show what happens when a ray of light parallel to the principal axis of a concave lens. We have drawn already in the previous problem. Now we have to find out the focal length. In the next question, focal length of a convex lens is given 20 centimeters. At what distance from the lens should a 5 centimeters tall object should be placed so that its image is formed at a distance of 15 centimeters? What information is given here? Focal length is given, object distance it is given, this is what object height it is given, and image is formed at a distance of 15 centimeters. So image distance is given. They are asking to find, one is object distance and other is size of the image. So here let us note all the information. Focal length F is equal to concave, no? So minus 20 centimeters, and one more HI it is given, HO it is given 5 centimeters, and image distance is given V 15 centimeters. Because it is concave lens, only positive virtual and direct image will be formed. For that it is negative. Image distance will be negative, we have to take. Now formula 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So 1 by minus 15 minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by minus 20. Transpose minus 15 that side, minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by minus 20 plus 1 by 15. After taking LCM it will be 60, 63 times, so minus 3 minus 60 it is. Minus 60 means it is plus 3. LCM is minus 60, so plus 3 should be taken here. Minus 4 should be taken. So what it is, minus 1 by minus 60 minus 1 by U. 1 cancel, we got minus U is equal to 60. Therefore U is equal to minus 60 centimeters. Object should be kept at minus 60 centimeters. Then also calculate the size of the image. HI by HO is equal to V by U. So HI is how much? We don't know, we have to find. HO is how much? 5 centimeters is equal to V. V is how much it is given? V minus 15 by minus 60. So here we are writing minus 15 by minus 60. So 15 ones are 15 fours are. If you do, what we get? HI, 4 HI is equal to 5. Then HI is equal to 5 by 4, which is 1.25 centimeters. This is what? Height of the image. Okay, some more questions are there. I will try to make a video. Okay, you can watch it later tomorrow. Thank you.